Have you ever wondered about the hidden gems of Colombia? The places that captivate travelers with their rich heritage, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant culture. Shot of a scenic Colombian landscape. Well, today, we're going to take you on a journey through the wonders of Colombia, unveiling the best destinations that will leave you awe-inspired. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to explore this enchanting country like never before. Transition with captivating visuals. Colombia is a land that embraces diversity and offers something for every traveler. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Caribbean and Pacific coasts to the majestic Andes Mountains and the lush Amazon rainforests, this country's heritage reflects the fusion of indigenous cultures and Spanish influence dating back to the 15th century. But it wasn't long ago when Colombia remained off the tourist map, perceived as an unsafe destination. However, times have changed. The government has worked tirelessly to transform this perception, making Colombia a safer and more welcoming place for travelers from around the globe. Today, we invite you to witness the wonders that await you in Colombia. Engaging montage of Colombian destinations. Let's start our journey with a small town that holds the charm of Andalusia and boasts one of the largest town squares in South America. Villa de Leyva. Just a 4-hour drive from Bogotá, this picturesque town captures your heart with its whitewashed buildings, wooden trim, and balconies. The Plaza Mayor, an iconic gathering place, hosts vibrant celebrations like the Onion Beauty Pageant. And don't forget to visit the Terracotta House, a clay structure considered the largest piece of pottery in the world. Scenic views of El Peñón de Guatapé. Now, let's venture to El Peñón de Guatapé, a towering rock that defies gravity and rises from the valley floor. Weighing a staggering 10 million tons, this monolith was once worshipped by the Tajames. Today, brave souls can ascend the rock via a series of hair-raising staircases, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding lakes and islands. The climb of 649 steps is a thrilling experience that will reward you with an unforgettable panorama. Beautiful colonial architecture. Our journey continues to the white city of Popayán, nestled in the southwest region. Known for its collection of colonial churches, this city reflects the country's religious center. During Easter, the Semana Santa celebrations take place, enchanting the streets with thousands of fervent devotees. As you wander through the cobblestone streets, admire the rich architectural heritage that Popayán has preserved over the centuries. Entrance to the Salt Cathedral of Zipaquirá. Just an hour's drive north of Bogotá lies Zipaquirá, the salt mining capital of Colombia. This city is home to the awe-inspiring Salt Cathedral, a Catholic church constructed almost entirely of salt within a former mine. Every Sunday, nearly 3,000 parishioners gather here for a unique religious experience. Attending a service within this magnificent salt structure will leave an indelible mark on your journey. Visitors exploring Las Lajas Sanctuary. Hidden within a canyon on the Guaitara River, Las Lajas Sanctuary awaits, mesmerizing visitors with its Gothic Revival architecture. This spectacular sanctuary was built between 1916 and 1949 and is a testament to faith and artistry. Legend has it that the Virgin Mary appeared on the rock face, inspiring the construction of this miraculous site. As you step inside, the intricate details of the stained glass windows and the grandeur of the central nave will leave you in awe. Stunning aerial view of Tayrona National Park. Now, let's journey to the Caribbean coast and discover the wonders of Tayrona National Park. This natural paradise is where the lush rainforests meet golden sandy beaches and turquoise waters. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty as you hike through the trails, encountering unique wildlife and ancient archaeological sites along the way. And when you reach the secluded beaches, you'll understand why this place is often called a slice of heaven on earth. Colorful streets of Cartagena. No exploration of Colombia would be complete without a visit to Cartagena, a city that resonates with history and charm. As you wander through its colorful streets, lined with bougainvillea-draped balconies and colonial architecture, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The Walled City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, invites you to explore its vibrant plazas, lively markets, and exquisite cuisine. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the magic of a Caribbean sunset from the historic city walls. Panoramic view of Medellín. Our journey now takes us to Medellín, a city that has undergone a remarkable transformation over the years. Once associated with Pablo Escobar and drug violence, Medellín has emerged as a thriving metropolis known for its innovative urban planning and captivating cultural scene. Ride the Metro Cable, an aerial cable car system that provides stunning views of the city, and explore the vibrant neighborhoods like Comuna 13, where vibrant street art tells the stories of resilience and hope. Coffee plantation. No trip to Colombia would be complete without experiencing its world-famous coffee. Visit a coffee plantation in the Coffee Triangle region, where you'll learn about the intricate process of cultivating and harvesting coffee beans. From the aroma of freshly roasted coffee to the rich flavors in every sip, you'll gain a newfound appreciation for this beloved beverage. Shots of Colombian landscapes. Colombia is a land of extraordinary beauty, where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. From its vibrant cities to its pristine natural wonders, this country offers a diverse range of experiences that will leave you enchanted. So, whether you seek adventure, culture, or simply a place to unwind, Colombia welcomes you with open arms. We hope you enjoyed exploring the diverse landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality of this captivating country. Whether you're planning a future trip or simply satisfying your wanderlust from the comfort of your home, Colombia offers a world of unforgettable experiences. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through the wonders of Colombia.